Today on Heat of the Drum, we are smoking kilbasa. And at the end, we're going to hit them with a homemade sausage sauce. Stick around. This one's going to be good. Welcome back to Heat of the Drum. My name is Steve. Today we are smoking up some Polska Kielbasa. So what I did is I went down to the store and I picked up this family pack. There's 3 sausages in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a rub from scratch. Get them nice and rubbed up. Get them on that drum smoker. Get them smoking. Then at the end, we're going to hit them with a sausage sauce, which is basically a barbecue sauce that we're going to make from scratch. Put on those, and that will take them over the top for us. First thing we need to do is get started on this rub. Let me show you what you're going to need. 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chipotle chili pepper, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I did add a 1/2 teaspoon of white sugar also in there. So I have all that in there. Let's get the brown sugar in and start mixing. And when you're done, it's going to look like that. All right, we'll set that off to the side. Now let's get this sausage out and get a look. Now the prep work is going to be really easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to make some score marks, and I'm actually just going to follow the sausage around. We're going to hit all 4 sides, and what I'm going to do is I just want to come just below that casing. We're just going to split the casing. I'm not trying to go real deep in the sausage itself. And I'll just follow it around just like that. And I'll hit every side. Why am I doing this? Because this is going to open up on us a little bit as we're cooking. And it's going to allow us to get some of that great flavor that we're going to put on this to go down in the sausage. So flip it over. We'll hit the top here. Just like that. And then we'll come in and also score the inside. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come in and chop that little end off right there. Got all 3 sausages prepped. What's next? So I'm just going to come in here with a paper towel and I'm going to dry these off. They're a little wet. Now that all 3 are dried off, let's talk binder, because I am going to use a binder. And it just so happens I'm going to use some mustard. So what we're going to do is just get in and rub all 3 of these up with this mustard. So we'll just come in here. And you just want to use enough just to cover it. Don't have to get too crazy. So that one looks good. Move on to this one. All right, my friends, that looks really good right there. Next up, yeah, I think I'll consider this probably the bottom. Right here, facing towards me. All right, now the fun part. Let's get in here and get some rub on these. And you want to make sure you get all sides really well. I am not messing around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with a wire rack. And then we're going to come in one more time and just hit them. Get them on here. I'll wait till the end to hit this side. But we want to get them nice and rubbed up. So what's next for our kielbasa? These are going to go back in the fridge for 1 hour. In that time, you know, I'll clean my area up. I'll get my chimney going, get the drum fired up and ready to go. And then we'll be looking to put these on. I'll see you in just a little bit. Today we are using some cowboy oak and hickory blend lump mixed with a little bit of Kingsford. And to that, I'm going to add some hickory chunks. Welcome back. It's been 1 hour. I just took these out probably about 4 minutes ago. And I tell you what, they're looking really good. Now let's get these on the smoker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in here. And I'm going to come in with this other one. Just like this. Get him twisted just a little bit. Yeah, that's looking really good right there. Let's get the lid on. Just got the sausages on. Let the fun begin. Now, what are we smoking at today? I'm looking for that 225 to 235, right around in that zone. And just so happens right now, I am 232 degrees. So we're right there. Now, going to let these go 45 minutes, but in the meantime, let's get started on that sausage sauce. So the first thing we're going to do is get a little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons, into the saucepan. That's good right there, probably. Go with that. And then what I have here is 1/4 of an onion, and it's minced up really fine. What I did is I quartered a yellow onion, and then I put it in my little chopper, and that really minced it up fine. As fine as you can get it, the better. Well, let's get that onion in there. And what we want to do is get this to start breaking down a little bit and cook off for us. So we'll let this go a few minutes. Onions are starting to break down. I'm going to come in with 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to add that in there. Let that go a couple minutes. Looking really nice. Smelling good. Let's move on to our next step. So what I got here is just some tomato sauce. I'm just happen to be using Hunt's, whatever you got. And what I got is 3/4 of a cup. So we're going to stir this in. Next up is tomato paste. I'm going to come in with 1 tablespoon. That's going to deepen and richen up that tomato profile for us. Let's get that in there and get that swirled around and broke down. You can instantly smell that. Next up, molasses. And we're going to come in with 3 tablespoons. One. Two. And 3. Get that mixed around. It's going to bring a little sweetness. It's going to darken things up. Start to take on that traditional kind of barbecue sauce look. Next up, apple cider vinegar. Use whatever you got. I just happen to have some of this on hand, so that's what I'm going with. And what you're going to need is 1/4 cup. This is going to bring that vinegary taste that gives that barbecue sauce some zip, as I like to say. And get that nice and mixed up. Next up, Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to come in with 1 tablespoon of that. And get that mixed in there. Now we got to add in some spice. So what I have here is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to bring in a little bit more onion flavor in there. And get that all mixed in. Now we're on to something. And I want to bring this up to a hard simmer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the heat off and let this just kind of hang out. Sauce is ready. The sauce looking really good. Like I said, turn the heat off. I'm just going to let that hang out. Got about 20 minutes left on our timer. And then we'll get in and get a look at those smoked kielbasa. See you in just a little bit. We just hit that 45-minute mark and we are at 225. So we're right where we need to be. Let's get the lid off and get our first look at that sausage. Oh yeah. So what I'm looking for is about 150, give or take, right around in that range. Let's see where we're at. 153. We are right there, my friends. I'm going to get in here and take the sausages out. I'm going to grab my restrictor plate and take that out. And then we're going to get these sausages back in. And let me rotate them. And remember that sauce that's just been kind of hanging out? It's gotten nice and thick for us. Let's get a coat of that on there. So I'm just going to come in with a barbecue brush here and start putting a coat on there. Bring in the flavor. No boring kielbasa here, my friends. I'm going to try to work fast. That onion and garlic and apple cider vinegar, all those good flavors. We'll get the lid back on. So the goal here is 5 minutes. I got my timer set. Then we're going to get in there. We're going to flip those over and put a second coat on. See you in 5. It's been 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is get in here, and I'm just going to flip them. Just like that. And you can see how they've opened up. And that gives us an opportunity to get more flavor in there. So now we're going to hit this side, that sauce. Try to work quick. Let's get the lid on. Timer set, 5 more minutes. It's time. These are ready, my friends. I'm just going to get in here and grab these out. Oh, man. These are going to rest about 5 minutes, then we're cutting in. It's been 5 minutes. These things have been hanging out. I cannot wait to get a bite of this. I tell you what, they smell good. They look good. I know they're going to taste good. Let's get a bite. This one looks good to me. Yeah. Let's get a taste of this. Let me get a bite. Let me get a piece off of there. Oh, yeah. No boring kielbasa tonight, my friends. Wow. And you can do so much with this. You could cut it up, put it on some hoagie buns, maybe with a little cheese, some kind of mayo or whatever you want to put on it. More of that sauce. We've got some of that sauce left over. And make it a really good kielbasa sandwich. Or chop it up, put it over some pasta. However you want to do it. Or eat it how I'm going to eat it tonight. Just like this. Remember, you can do this too. Till I see you again the next time on Heat of the Drum. I'm definitely eating good tonight. And I'm hungry too, so. Look at that.